In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Odoo to Microsoft Power BI. To get started, open Odoo and head to Settings, then General Settings. Here, you'll need to activate developer mode. This step is important because it unlocks the technical options you need in order to create the connection properly. If you don't see certain advanced features in your account, developer mode is usually the reason, so make sure it's enabled before moving on. Once that's done, you're ready to generate the credentials Power BI will use to access your Odoo data. Next, go to My Profile and then open the Security section. In this area, generate a new API key. This key acts like a secure access token that allows another platform, in this case Power BI, to communicate with your Odoo environment without using your regular login password directly. When you create the key, make sure to store it somewhere safe because you may not be able to view it again afterward. Also, be careful not to share it publicly or include it in documentation or screenshots, since it provides access to your data connection. Once your API key is ready, switch over to Microsoft Power BI. From the home area, click Get Data, then choose Web. When the web connection window opens, select the advanced option. This is the version you want because it gives you more control over how the request is configured. In the URL field, enter your Odoo endpoint URL, making sure it points to the correct resource you want Power BI to access. Then provide your authentication key where required so Power BI can securely connect to Odoo. Take a moment here to double check everything before you continue. If the endpoint URL is incorrect or if the API key has any extra spaces or missing characters, the connection may fail. Small formatting issues are a common cause of errors, so it's worth reviewing each field carefully before submitting the request. After that, proceed with the connection and let Power BI attempt to reach your Odoo data. If the credentials and endpoint are correct, Power BI should successfully establish the connection and allow you to begin working with the data inside your reports and dashboards. That's the full process for connecting Odoo to Microsoft Power BI. Enable developer mode in Odoo, generate a secure API key from your profile settings, and then use the web connector in Power BI with the advanced setup to enter the Odoo endpoint and authentication details. Once connected, you'll be ready to start analyzing your Odoo data more effectively in Power BI.